Hey y'all, this is Mary. You may have noticed that there's a new button on the site that says Start Cooking. This is part of a new program that I am putting on the blog. It's free, it's amazing, and we're going to talk later about everything that it brings to the table. But for now, I just want you guys to understand about saving recipes. Most of the time, up till now, you've saved recipes over here on this red heart by clicking on the red heart, creating a free account, and saving the recipe. This is going away in 30 days, probably less than that. So just to be safe, I'm going to say 21 days, okay? And what we want to do is we want to shift all of the recipes that you have saved here over here because this is going to be where they are from now on. It won't happen automatically. You have to do it yourself. It's very easy, it's free, and all you're going to have to do is start a new free account with your email and your password. You can make up any password you want. It's totally private. The passwords don't get stolen. Your email doesn't get sold. It's just for this account, okay? And once you have the account, it'll open you up for all of the other great stuff that this program brings. But again, we'll talk about that later. So if you're going to save a recipe, you're going to go to where your favorite recipes are stored. And you're going to click on the recipe you want to save. And it's going to take you to that recipe page. Now, you're going to go over here and you're going to click on this save recipe in orange. It's going to save your recipe. And if you don't already have an account, it's going to pop up with a little box that prompts you to put in your email and a password and save it. Totally free, not going anywhere. It's just so you can save your recipes and use this program should you want to do it. And believe me, when you find out about all of the cool stuff on this program, you're going to want to use it, okay? I know this isn't coming up right. I don't know what's going on with it, but you get the idea. So spend the next 3 weeks or so going through your saved recipes, move them over to the new thing, and I will be sending you emails over the next few days about how to use all of the stuff on the new Allspice platform. Okay? Looking forward to it. I hope you love it. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.